Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing in the heart of a lush valley, surrounded by snow-covered peaks that touch the sky. The crisp alpine breeze brushes against your face. The distant sound of cowbells echo through the hills, and a sense of peace fills the air. This is Switzerland, a land where nature and serenity dance together in perfect harmony. As you journey deeper into the Swiss Alps, every turn unveils a new masterpiece. The Matterhorn rises like a cathedral carved by the heavens, while Jungfrau and Eiger stand tall like ancient guardians. Here, time seems to slow down. The mountains don't just dominate the landscape, they speak to your soul, reminding you of the beauty and power of nature in its purest form. Below the towering peaks, Switzerland's lakes shimmer with a clarity that seems unreal. Lake Geneva stretches wide with a royal grace, framed by vineyards and medieval towns whispering stories of centuries past. Lake Lucerne, calm and still, reflects the clouds and mountains like a mirror to the sky. Standing by its shore, you begin to understand why poets and painters have always found their muse in these waters. Wander into the countryside, and you'll find villages pulled straight from a storybook. Wooden chalets sit nestled among green hills, their balconies bursting with colorful flowers. Cobblestone streets wind through sleepy towns where church bells toll gently in the background. Locals greet you with a warm smile and a cheerful "Grüezi," as if you're an old friend returning home. Then there's the Glacier Express, a train ride so beautiful it feels like traveling through a dream. As the red carriages glide over ancient bridges and snake through deep valleys, each window offers a view worthy of a painting. Snow blankets the hills, rivers dance beside the tracks, and with every mile, you fall more deeply in love with the landscape unfolding before you. Switzerland apart is its silence, a kind of stillness that doesn't just exist around you, but enters you. Whether you're standing atop a glacier, watching sunlight break through the clouds, or simply sitting by a lake as the fog rolls in, there's a peace here that wraps around you like a soft, invisible blanket. It's not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel, a place that leaves a mark on your heart long after you've left. If this journey moved you, if even for a moment you felt the cold air of the Alps or the warmth of Swiss hospitality, then your adventure has already begun.